2015 was the hottest year on record, and our Earth's temperatures are continuously rising. Our energy dilemma is no small problem. The fossil fuel consumption in the United States in just April of 2015 was 757,330 million cubic feet. How can we reduce our carbon footprint and make sure Earth is habitable for future generations? Non-renewable energy means that the sources of energy will disappear once we use the available resources. These resources cannot be made again quickly, as they take thousands of years to be recreated. Some examples are coal and fossil fuels. Solar power is a renewable energy source because the sun is available nearly all daylight hours. These types of energy sources can be recreated over a short time span, allowing them to be accessible to us nearly infinitely. Planet Earth gets about 1,366 watts of direct solar radiation per square meter every second. In addition to being non-renewable, fossil fuels require a complicated and environmentally unfriendly process of retreating. The energy that is buried by thousands of years of dirt is extracted in a process called fracking. Fracking is a risky form of drilling that includes injecting large amounts of water and chemicals into the ground in order to crack the rock layer and free natural gas trapped in its fissures. In order to complete this process, workers must create drilling pads, containment ponds, storage tanks, and roads. This could impact the wildlife, the public supply of water, and increase the risks of global warming. So, why doesn't everybody use solar energy? It seems like the obvious answer to this question, but it is a lot more complicated. Sure, solar panels may provide energy for hundreds of years, but they are more expensive up front compared to fossil fuels. The average cost of a solar panel necessary to power the average home is $52,500. Many people in the world do not have access to the resources or money necessary to get solar panels. So, which should we use? Should we decide to use the temporary solution of cheap fossil fuels? Or should the planet invest in more expensive solar panels for all? The price of solar panels has dropped nearly 100 times over since 1977, and it continues to do so. The International Renewable Energy forecasted that solar costs would be cut by 40% by the end of 2017. With our fossil fuel supply draining and electricity in high demand, you can be confident that solar is the best choice for our environment and our future.